Hello everyone, Nishant here from Learn QA Skill. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the difference between the alpha testing and the beta testing. So these both the testings are a part of user acceptance testing, but still there are few differences between the alpha testing and the beta testing. So first difference is the alpha testing is performed by the testers in the testing environment, and the beta testing is performed by the real end user or the client in the live environment. The alpha testing is performed at the developer side or at the developer's end, where all the developers and testers are available within the organization. And the beta testing is performed at the client location or the end user of the product, which is outside our organization. Alpha testing involves both white box and the black box testing techniques. So to do the alpha testing, whoever person who is doing the alpha testing, he should have idea about the white box testing and the black box testing. He should know the functionality of application, and he should know the internal architecture or the internal program of that application. And in the beta testing, black box testing technique is used. Alpha testing is conducted within the organization and tested by the representative group of end users. So in the alpha testing, the access of application is given to some limited group of members, so they can do the alpha testing within the organization, and the beta testing is conducted by the end users. End user in the sense actual customer or the actual users. If there is any bug found during the alpha testing, so developers immediately start working on the identified issues or bugs in the alpha testing. And in the beta testing, most of the issues or a feedback is collected, and those are implemented in the future versions of software application.